Alright, this is Sam with Sam's Roadside Service. Just pulled up here for a tire change in Noblesville on this red Ford Escape, front tire flat. See if we can do this fast and accurate.
Make sure you got a spare.
Yeah, the spare's back here. I just have a hard time because I got work stuff here. You guys have done wonderful. A few times I've had to have somebody come out.
Are you just roadside assistance generally, or me specifically?
You.
Okay.
You guys.
Nice.
I love Sam's Roadside.
Oh, great. That's good news. Yeah, we carry a few more tools. You know, try to do it just a little bit better.
Yes, and when my battery was bad, this guy went above and beyond that came out last time to figure out, to see if it was bad, if there was something else wrong.
Right.
Or,
That little tester.
yeah. Most roadside, they'll just jump your battery and keep going.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, I did a survey on you guys.
Say it again.
I hit a chuck hole this morning.
Oh shoot, that'll do it. Yeah, I can't believe
that's what done it.
I just changed the tire on the highway from a chuck hole. I can't believe you can still get it's August and you can still get a flat tire from a pothole around here.
Yeah, they're not fixing them right.
Yeah,
All the crap's coming right back out of them.
it is. I think they just like to fix them.
Just do minor repairs is all they're doing.
Yeah.
And the minor repairs need actually major repairs.
Yeah, it's tough.
I work for the Children's Bureau,
Okay.
and I was supposed to pick up a kiddo at this location, the 3952.
Oh, so you're working right now?
Yeah.
Oh,
Salary, so I'm here.
right.
I had to cancel the visit because I was like, there's no way I'm gonna make it all the way to Franklin. I'm not driving from here to Franklin.
Wow.
I gotta go get this get it fixed before I
Yeah.
go that far.
Yeah, you're not going to want to go all the way down there on a donut.
No, I'm driving 144 miles on a donut. Not gonna happen.
No.
That's the round trip.
Yeah, that's not recommended.
It'd be about 100, but because I'm already here. But,
Well, we recommend no more than 40. So,
Yeah.
you know, basically.
and I'm not doing. I know better.
Yeah, basically, you know, that donut just meant to get off the highway. You know.
Yep. And I'm not gonna do that now. No. No. Yeah, that's probably good. Now, as long as that door is shut, we'll be alright.
All right.
Yes.
I'm going to need the exact mileage from you.
Okay. I appreciate all of your help.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
It's 65904.
Okay. Hey, here's a card. I'm on Facebook or Yelp if you want to leave me a review or like my page or
I
anything
will.
like that.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
And I refer people to you.
That's great. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome.
All right.
Because I know you got it. Help your business.
Yeah, it does.
Word of mouth is the best way to go.
You're not lying. Initial, sign, initial. That's why I've been really focusing on Facebook likes and reviews because it's all your friends see it and all that. So,
I will go on there tonight and leave you a review.
I appreciate it.
Because you guys deserve it. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Just be safe on that so you get switched out, okay?
Yes. Go speed limit. I'm not even getting on the interstate with
that's-
dogs go through town.
That's right. Yeah, just take it easy.
All right, thanks.
Yes, ma'am.
Because I gotta go to the south side where I got the tires to get it fixed.
Yep. All right, clock says 7 minutes. We didn't rush, did it right. We always do it right, directly and correctly, but just moved a little slower on that one. That's it, Sam's Roadside Service. Fast and accurate, directly and correctly. Under 5, get out alive. I'm out.